Mr. Garry here from GBL, the old church, 5-acre homestead. I'm here with the AllPowers 600 watt power station. It's solar powered and it comes with the inverter and the solar panel station that you see right there behind me. And myself and my sidekick DeWalt, we're going to showcase this to you in this video. So this is the 600 watt solar power station. It has the solar panels that you see right here, and it comes with the inverter that you see right here, and various connections there for connecting to a battery, for plugging in for charging and all that kind of good stuff. It comes with USB cables and all kinds of stuff that you see right here. I have this one, and in fact I have it completely charged up, and I actually have it also hooked up to a jigsaw right there. So I'm going to show that to you, but before I do so, I need to take off my regular glasses and put them there and put on my safety glasses, because my sidekick, my safety advisor, Mr. DeWalt, is there, and he's reminding me to be safe at all times, especially when running power tools. Now I have this one fully charged, and I'm going to show you how it is with this jigsaw right here, as you can see. Now, if you're on a job site somewhere where there is no electricity, you can power this up using the solar panels. You can fully charge the inverter and run various power tools. If you're at your cabin and you don't have electricity, you can run various appliances like toasters and kettles and all kinds of things like that. You can be very successful with out in the cabin, or like I said, on a job site, using an inverter and a solar powered station like that from AllPowers. Now, Mr. Garry was sent this one, back in August or July, I believe, and I did a couple of videos on our YouTube channel. You can go check that out. Now, look at this. The AllPowers company decided to send us a second system, and it's right here, and the rest of this video is going to be dedicated to unboxing this second solar panel and this second inverter here in these two boxes. We'll have a look at the contents of these two packages together, folks. We'll compare it to the one that we already have and let you decide yourself. But I do think it would be a great idea for you to go out and get the AllPowers Solar Power Emergency Power Station, just like what Mr. Garry and Mr. DeWalt has right here on this island today. Stay with me, folks. We're going to do an unboxing next. Okay, folks, for this unboxing, we're going to open up the solar panel first, and it does come into this large cardboard package. I'm using my DeWalt box cutter for this, so again, be very careful, and always cut away from yourself when you're opening packages. Okay, so I'm doing that. I'm cutting away from myself, and same thing over on this side. Hopefully you can see what I'm doing here. I'm just cutting the top of this cardboard package open to reveal the solar panel that's inside. Now, right now, I can tell that it does look like the one that I already have. I'll put that cardboard box on the floor right there, and let's have a look inside this pouch part right here to see what's in here. And in here we have several wires, and we have some connections there. We have an AllPowers. Let me see what it says. Download the Amazon shopping app right here, and I'll be including a link for this unboxing in the description for this video for a 5% discount should you decide to go out and purchase this particular kit. Now, there's a little manual that comes with it also. So this is the solar panel, and it folds open like a book, folks, just like the one that I have before. Let me just do that. Let me see if I can open this one up. Lots of Velcro, and this one has two panels that open up, as the other one, and the other one has four. The solar panel has these fold out arms on the back so that it can stand up like a book. Hopefully you can see that. I'll do a pan around very, very soon so you can actually have a look at it. But they fold out and it opens up like that. There you have it. So that's the solar panel. I'll close it up and I'll just lay it right there. And I'll leave these two cords over here for connecting it up to the inverter. Now, let's open the inverter. This is the box with the inverter inside of it. Okay, now, being very careful opening this box, Mr. Garry. Okay. Okay, turn it around. We're almost there. Okay, inside the box, what do we see? We see claim your warranty. So it comes with a warranty and also a portable power station model R600, 600 watts. Okay, here's the manual with lots of safety advice and safety tips and how-tos, how to use this inverter and where and all that kind of good stuff. So we'll put that aside. It comes with a power cord that you see right there. I'll put that over there. It's well packaged and protected in this heavy-duty styrofoam stuff that you see right here. I'll get that aside. And here is the inverter. Now, this one is sort of dark gray and black, where my other one was beige. So there you go, a very, very nice. Now, that's the unboxing. Let me take my camera there now in a second so we can do some zoom ins and have a look at it in more detail. So this is the spread that came in the packages, the two boxes that you see right here on the floor. One that the inverter came in and one that the solar panel came in. And here's the one that I received last summer. It came with more cables and a larger panel, solar panel that has 4 flaps or 4 lots of panels onto it, solar panels, where this newer one right here only has the 2. So I'm going to do a little bit of research to see what the difference in the panels are. From a quick look though, this one says right here on the front that it's a 600 watt as well. AllPowers is the brand. It says down here, power DC button, 3 seconds to on off. It looks very, very similar in design to the one I received last summer. Also 600 watts, but it doesn't have that DC message. It says DC output, okay, and it says the USB-C 100 watts. It says that over here on this one as well. Okay, let me see if I can zoom out there a little bit, Mr. Garry. USB-C 100 watts. Okay, so very similar in design. So that's the 600 watt power station by AllPowers, folks. This is the unboxing video. I'll be doing a second video where I will have this inverter all charged up. I can use the cord for that, or I can use the solar panel. Either one will do the charging up of the inverter right there. This one, as I said, I've already charged that one up. I've had that one charged up now. Charged that one up already, so there you go, that's that one. So I've got 2 of these here now for emergency power, should we need emergency power here at the old church. And these are AllPower power stations, solar power stations for emergency power. Great for charging up an emergency supply power. It can run lots of tools like I just demonstrated there with that jigsaw, and it can also run various household appliances as well. I have 2 systems. Great indeed. I am, like I said, going to be charging up this inverter right here and doing another demonstration in part 2 of this video. So come back for that on our YouTube channel. AllPowers Power Station. Inverter plus solar panel and all the various cables, folks. You can order this going to the description for this video. All the links will be there where you can check out the AllPowers website and order the system that you wish to order. And if you use my link, you will get a 5% discount. Solar Power Station by AllPowers. And it comes, like I said, in these two various packages that you see right here.